Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Cloud Code with Blender. So the first thing that you can actually do is to open Cloud Console as see from here, and you need to get the API key. So you need to actually click on Get API Key from here. And now you need to actually start by paying at least $5 for Cloud Code. After that, they will actually give you the API key after you pay from here. And now you need to actually go to Blender. So from Blender, you need to click on scripting on the top, I'll see from here. And now this script menu will start. So from here, you can actually add any script that can actually use Claude API to integrate Blender with Claude. So you can actually just side script for Blender and it will prompt Claude to make everything. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.